Auxiliary verbs are otherwise described as helping verbs or supporting verbs. They are called so because they assist the lexical or main verbs to make meaningful statements. Uses of auxiliary verbs is: this is used when we are talking about a single thing. For example, Joel is my brother. Johnson is handsome. Satan is in trouble. Is a singular verb, and it is used for oneself when we are referring to the action we take now or will take in future, while was is used to refer to the actions we have or had taken in the past. For example, I am reading now. I am traveling tomorrow. I was doing my assignment yesterday when Bo arrived home. Are, were, are is plural, and is used for the person we are talking to, or in dialogue with now. That is you. It is also used to refer to the action taken now by a group of people or things. In other words, it is used for the second persons, you, and third persons plural, they. For example, they are writing now. They are working now. You were writing then. They were working then.
Thank you very much, sir, and really grateful.
Oh, it's nothing, but please do not forget to go over it again.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.